In today's video, we're diving into Zoho Forms Builder, a powerful drag-and-drop tool that lets you create smart, professional-looking forms without writing a single line of code. Whether you're collecting customer feedback, building sign-up forms, managing event registrations, processing product orders, or setting up internal workflows for your team, Zoho Forms has you covered. It's designed to be flexible enough for advanced users while still being simple and beginner-friendly for those just getting started. So, in order to create your first Zoho form, you have to follow these steps. In this complete walkthrough, we'll show you how to create your very first form from start to finish. We'll begin with setting up your Zoho account, then move on to choosing the right template, customizing form fields, adjusting settings like notifications and themes, and finally, sharing and integrating your form with other tools. So let's get started. Before doing anything else, the first thing you need is a Zoho account, and the easiest way to get access to all Zoho tools is by creating a Zoho Mail account. To do this, simply go to the official Zoho Mail website. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the Sign Up option. This will take you to the account creation page. Here, Zoho gives you multiple ways to sign up. You can create an account using your email address, or if you want a faster and more convenient option, you can sign up using your Google, LinkedIn, or Microsoft account. For this example, let's say you choose to sign up using your Google account. After selecting Google and completing the sign-up process, Zoho will automatically create your account and redirect you to the Zoho dashboard. On this page, you'll see an option that says Access Your Apps. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the Zoho App Store, where you can view all the tools available within the Zoho ecosystem. Zoho offers a wide range of applications for sales, marketing, finance, support, analytics, and much more. If you don't immediately see Zoho Forms listed, don't worry. You can simply use the search bar to look for it. Alternatively, you can also directly visit the official Zoho Forms Builder website, which will take you straight to the tool. Once you reach the Zoho Forms sign-up page, you'll be asked to provide some basic information. Again, Zoho gives you the flexibility to sign up using third-party accounts like Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or Microsoft, which makes the process much faster. After completing this step, you'll be taken directly into the Zoho Forms Builder interface. As soon as the interface loads, you'll notice how clean and straightforward it is. The layout is designed to be beginner-friendly, so you're not overwhelmed by too many options or complicated menus. Everything is clearly organized, making it easy to understand where things are, even if this is your first time using Zoho Forms. To start creating your first form, click on the New option. This will open a new screen where Zoho asks how you'd like to create your form. If you prefer full creative control, you can start from scratch by choosing a standard form. However, if you're new to Zoho Forms, it's highly recommended to start with a template. Templates help you understand how forms are structured and save a lot of time by giving you a ready-made layout. Zoho Forms offers a wide variety of templates organized by different use cases. For lead generation, you'll find sign-up forms, newsletter subscription forms, event registration forms, trial request forms, product inquiry forms, and more. On the business side, there are templates for contact forms, client details, feedback collection, and internal requests. For e-commerce use cases, you'll see templates like order forms, meal order forms, and product order forms. These templates are designed to cover most common needs, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. For this walkthrough, let's choose the product order form. After the form loads, you'll be taken to the Form Builder editor. This is where the real customization begins. You'll see the product order form already filled with several fields, such as product details, customer information, and order-related inputs. If you click on any section, you can edit the heading and description to better match your brand or purpose. Everything in this editor is fully customizable. You can change field labels, adjust label placement to appear on the left, right, center, or top, and even assign a nickname to your form for internal reference. Once you make any changes, always remember to click the Save button so your edits aren't lost. This habit will save you a lot of time as your form becomes more complex. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll find a panel containing all available form fields. These include basic fields like single-line text, multi-line text, email, phone number, and number fields. There are also more advanced options like image choices, file uploads, drop-downs, checkboxes, and rating fields. Adding a new field is as simple as dragging it from the left panel and dropping it into your form. For example, if you want users to upload an image along with their order, just drag the Image Upload field into the form. Then you can configure its settings, such as file size limits and allowed file types. You can also mark important fields as mandatory to ensure users don't submit incomplete forms. This level of control helps improve data quality and ensures you get the information you need. Once your form structure is complete, it's time to move on to the Settings section. This area gives you full control over how your form behaves. Here, you can configure display options, customize the thank you message that appears after submission, or even redirect users to a specific page once they've completed the form. These options are especially useful for marketing campaigns or confirmation pages. You can also control form availability by setting date and time limits, which is perfect for event registrations, limited time offers, or seasonal campaigns. In the Notifications section, you can set up alerts to notify you or your users whenever a form is submitted. Notifications can be sent via email, SMS, or even WhatsApp, depending on your plan. Since we're using a free trial, some notification options may be limited, but they become fully available once you upgrade. Branding options allow you to customize the browser tab title, use a custom domain, pre-fill form fields, and enable PDF or document merge features. You'll also find settings for submission messages, translations for multilingual forms, spam control, mobile app access, compliance requirements, and task automation. All these features give you grain-fine control over how your form looks and functions. Next, let's talk about themes. Zoho Forms makes it easy to customize the appearance of your form using pre-designed themes. You can browse through the theme gallery and preview different styles. When you find one you like, simply click Apply and the theme will be instantly applied to your form. This helps your form match your brand identity without any design experience. Once everything looks good, head over to the Share section. Here, Zoho provides you with a permanent URL for your form. You can share this link anywhere, on your website, through email, or on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. If you choose LinkedIn, you'll be redirected to your LinkedIn account where you can add a caption and post the form link directly. You can also open the form link to preview it exactly as your users will see it. This is a great way to test the user experience and make sure everything works as expected. As you can see, creating, customizing, and sharing a form with Zoho Forms is incredibly simple thanks to its drag-and-drop design. Beyond sharing, Zoho Forms also offers powerful integrations. You can connect your forms with tools like Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, Calendars, Salesforce, Microsoft Teams, webhooks, and many other Zoho apps such as Zoho Creator, Zoho Books, and Zoho Sheet. These integrations help automate workflows, reduce manual work, and keep your data synchronized across platforms. There's also an Approvals section where you can set up multi-level approval workflows for form submissions. This is especially useful for internal processes like leave requests, purchase approvals, or onboarding forms. Keep in mind that approvals require upgrading to a paid plan. Zoho Forms offers several pricing plans, starting with the basic plan for small needs, moving up to standard and professional plans with advanced automation and integrations, and finally, the premium plan for large organizations with heavy form usage. Before publishing your form, take a moment to review everything carefully. Make sure all fields are accurate, required fields are in place, and the layout looks clean and professional. Once you're satisfied, your form is ready to go live. And that's it. You've successfully created your first form using Zoho Forms Builder. It's fast, flexible, and powerful, making it an excellent tool for businesses of all sizes. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and we'll see you again in the next one.